Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the tools and functionality that we have here at Spotlightr to help you migrate your videos from Wistia to Spotlightr. The first thing I'm going to show you is our migration tool that will migrate your videos. They'll copy your videos from Wistia to your Spotlightr account. After that, I will show you some of the data that we provide for you to help you with swapping out embed codes on your pages. So when you change your embed codes from Wistia embed codes to Spotlightr embed codes. And finally, the last thing will be a script that we developed that will also help you with this process of swapping out embed codes from Wistia to Spotlightr embed codes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you here is the migration tool. So here I am in our Spotlightr account, and I'm in a project called Migrated Videos. No videos are in this project just yet. So I'm going to add videos. I'm going to choose migrate and import from Wistia. I need to get the token password. So I'm going to head over to this Wistia account here and go to settings. And then down API access. And then I'll copy this password here. Go back to Spotlightr. Paste that in. It's going to get the videos from Wistia, and I'm going to leave these all checked. I'm going to import all three. Click on import. Okay, that is done. I'm going to go up here to click on the project. Okay, and here are the three videos that we just migrated from Wistia. Now just keep in mind that we aren't deleting anything from Wistia. We're actually copying the videos over from one account to the other. So that's the process of migrating the videos. Real simple, real easy. The next thing I want to show you here is our export functionality that lets you download some video data as a CSV. Now I'm going to go ahead and download that file, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you what that file looks like. Okay, let me browse that file, some downloads, and it's right here. So what this file is going to do is give you the Wistia video ID, which is the column D here, that's the alt ID, as well as the new Spotlightr video ID, which is right here in column A. So what that's going to do is help you with when you're changing all of your embed codes on your web pages. So for example, the Wistia ID here, the first video here, video 1, starts with VRHH. If I go over to Wistia and back to the main account here and check video 1 here, which should be right there. And if you check the embed code, when you have videos embedded on your site, whether it's Wistia or Spotlightr or any other video host, the embed code is going to be the same unless you're making changes to the functionality of the video, the player. For the most part, the embed code is going to be the same, with the exception of the video ID. So, and the Wistia's embed code, that video ID is right here, and I think it's in one more spot. Yep, right here as well. So you get the idea. So the video ID is going to change with every embed code for every video. So what this will do is when you go to your web pages and you want to swap out embed codes, you don't need to figure out which video in Wistia maps to the video in Spotlightr. You can just check the spreadsheet here, and when you see the Wistia embed code, you search for the ID in the sheet here, and then you'll have the matching ID for the new video in Spotlightr. So now you can copy your Spotlightr embed code to your page, and then just make sure you're using this video ID here. So if I go over to our Spotlightr account, here's the embed code for video 1, and here is the video ID here. So basically what you can do is this embed code will be the same for every Spotlightr video except for this video ID here. Okay, so basically, as I mentioned already, as you go through your pages and you're finding Wistia videos, just search for the ID here and then paste in the Spotlightr embed code with the corresponding video ID from the sheet. So that should help you move your embed codes a little faster. Now, the last thing I want to show you is our script that we've developed, which will actually swap out the Wistia video for the Spotlightr video. And what that does is basically when you add the script to your pages, the script will search our database for the Wistia ID, and then it will update the page with a Spotlightr embed code with the corresponding Spotlightr ID here. So let me show you an example. I have one of our test websites here, just a WordPress website. I've added a Wistia video here. Here's what it looks like. And the code that I added is a script. I used a plugin called Code Snippets, and here's the script that was added. Okay, and as added to the header section of the page, and I've added here to, or I've configured this to add this to the site-wide header, so it'll be on every page of the website. You could do something similar on your site, and when this is activated, which it is already, if I go over to this page here and I refresh the page, what the script is going to do is it's going to find that. You'll see it change out there. You see how that changed out from Wistia to Spotlightr. So what the script is doing is it's searching like I said before, it's searching a database for the Wistia ID and then swapping it out for Spotlightr embed code if it finds the Wistia ID. So that will, there is a little delay there, but what this does is if your Wistia account is about to expire or you want to cancel it right away, you can go ahead and do that and still be okay with your videos, because it gives you time to go through and change out all of your embed codes. Or if you don't mind this slight delay that occurs when the script searches and replaces the video, you don't need to do anything. You can just leave it like this and you wouldn't need to swap out embed codes. That's your call. Most people do go ahead and swap out the embed code slowly over time, because it can take a little bit of time, or you can just leave the script and let the script swap out videos and you're all set. So that's all I wanted to show you. I hope that helps with your migration. If you have any questions on any of that, please reach out to the help desk and we'll do our best to help. Thank you so much.